Okay, today we're going to be talking about distributing a variable, and we're going to look at the product of powers rule, which is when you multiply numbers with the same base, all you're going to do is add the exponents together. So if we had 4 times 4, we could write that as 4 squared. And if we have x times x, which is one of the most important things that you guys need to remember, is it can be written as x squared. If we have x to the second times x to the fourth, we're just going to add those exponents to get x to the sixth. And the next one would be x to the eighth, because 3 plus 5 is 8. And the last one is going to be x to the 14th, because 12 plus 2 is 14. When you have numbers out front, which are coefficients, what you're going to do with those is multiply the coefficients like you normally would. 2 times 5 is 10. And then we're going to add our exponents. 3 plus 11 is 14. And we have our x. The next one, I kind of did that one a little different. 6 times 4 is 24. And then we have our x to the 5th, because there's a 1 right here. All right, 7 times 2 is 14, and we're going to multiply x to the third times x to the third, which just means add your exponents, x to the 6th. All right, and the next one, there is a 1 right in front of that x. So 1 times 5 is 5, and x to the third. And then we have negative 3 times negative 9, which is a positive 27, x to the 6th. And here are some other examples that are worked out for you. We'll move on down to our examples. All right. We have 9x times x, which is 9x squared. And then we distribute the 9x to the 1, which is a positive 9x. Next one, we have x squared that we're going to be distributing the x to. So that would give us x to the third times negative 5, so negative 5x. All right. Negative 4 times 2 is negative 8. And then x times x is x squared. Negative 4x times 7 is negative 28x.